All right, guys, as you may know from the title of this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can optimize or automate your SEO blog writing content through Airtable, entirely automate. Uh, so, the first thing you need for this is you need a main keyword, you need additional keywords, and you need to have what people also ask for. Now, why do you need these things? This is because the prompt that I use requires these three elements. I won't be diving into the prompt right now. That's a topic for another video. I'll just be giving you an overview of how you can do this on Airtable. So once you have all these elements, right, you have your additional keywords, your main keywords, and your people also ask, you go to Airtable and make up an account. Now, what you need to do here is after you're done sorting your account, you make or you go here and click on create. Now you get these two options, right? Oh, sorry. You get these two options. You build an app with Omni, which is Airtable's AI, or build an app on your own. Uh, let's click on build an app on your own. So this is what you call a base. You'll end up here. So first thing is, again, this window is Omni, where you can interact with Airtable's AI. Right now, that's not what we're going to do. So first thing is, you're going to rename the base, and now it's basically an Excel sheet. You can see here you've got these different rows and columns. Now, first thing, what we're going to do is we're going to delete the rows that have been given to us. So let's first rename and edit this field. I'm going to call this my main keyword field. I'm going to make another field, and I'm going to click on the plus sign. This is what happens. And I'm going to name this additional, apologies, I need to first discern the kind of field that it has to be. So this will be a long text. It's very important that you choose long text. And then you name it additional keywords. Third field is people also ask, but again, you have to first select long text. People also ask, and you're going to create this field. So for example, for the sake of this is my main keyword, how to drain electric. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this here. This is my main keyword. And my additional keywords here, these are through hrefs, or how to drain electric water heater. So these three would be my additional keywords. I go here, I'm going to paste, I'm going to expand this so that I can clean this out. Make sure to add commas and a period so that it knows where it's starting and where it's ending. And then again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my main keyword, paste it in Google search, and we'll have this people also ask section. Just take a look at it, copy it, and you're back here. Again, expand this here, paste it. So how do I drain my electric hot water heater, and etc. etc. So these are my main elements of my prompt, right? Again, I have no issues sharing my prompt, but again, this is just an overview of how you can automate your content. And the fourth field you come up with is your, let me just move this here. The fourth field you're going to do is, again, you're going to take the long text and say blog post. And now you'd see here, automate this field with an agent. It's called a field agent. Basically, what it does is this particular field would be AI derivative. So I'm going to create the field, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert it right. Now, here are some settings which you can choose from, and there's inbuilt models that you can choose from. I always go for Claude's 4.5 Sonnet. This is, I believe, Claude is the best blog writing tool. And then I'm going to do is come up with custom instructions. Let me write my prompt. URL SEO. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert field while I'll reference whatever field that I want. So again, this is a very rudimentary prompt. Write me a blog post using the main keyword and use, again, I'm going to insert field, my additional keywords. Make sure you bold all the important terms and not the keywords. Also ensure that you answer. And then I'm gonna plug in people also ask for, right? Again, this is a very rudimentary field, so I'm gonna create this and then again run agent. It's basically doing that. So what you can do then is obviously whatever your CMS is, you can link it with Airtable, and this could automatically populate your blog post as well. But obviously, it's better to have a human review of this. This is a very simple way of coming up and automating your blog post. Again, I have the whole entire blog post. Now, why I kept it simple on purpose? Because so that you can explore on your own whatever it is that you want. Now we have a blog post. It took 14 credits. This is the free version of the tool. It's trial. I've got 13 days left. It's $20, I think, and it gives you 150,000 or 15,000 credits. So this particular blog post used 14 credits. So again, if you're in the business of automating and in programmatic SEO, just imagine what you could do by just searching for the main keyword, additional keyword, and people also ask, and maybe writing a better prompt, and you can come up with really good content. I hope this video was of value. Thank you.